Hello everybody, welcome to a new tutorial. Today I'm going to learn you the mantra Jaya Jaya Shiva Shambo, requested by Natasha Orlova. I hope I pronounced this name well. So thank you, Natasha. Yeah, let's see which chord we need for this mantra. And before I'm going to show you the chords, I want to thank you, Natasha, because this request for this mantra brings me back to Portugal. I was last year in Portugal for I think 5 weeks. I worked on a campsite and it was at the opposite side of Monte Sahaja. And Monte Sahaja is the ashram from Muji. And there I heard this mantra for the first time actually. Actually, they call it bhajans. And it was really a swinging one and I really liked it. So thank you for reminding me of this beautiful period. But now, let's look at the chords for Jaya Jaya Shiva Shambo. So for the mantra Jaya Jaya Shiva Shambo, we only use two chords, and it's the A minor and it's the G. And if you already saw other tutorials from me, then you already know how to play these chords, I guess. So these two chords are the only one you need for Jaya Jaya Shiva Shambo. I will play the mantra now for you, and then afterwards I will play the version that I played for you, and I cut it into pieces so you can learn how to play this beautiful swinging mantra. So I'm going to play this version of Jaya Jaya Shiva Shambo in three different versions. It's a down strum. Down strum is for the beginner. And then the more intermediate, and that's the fingerstyle picking and the island strum. And maybe I will add the chuck, I need to see. So, the down strum version. Enjoy! Jaya Jaya Shiva Shambo, Jaya Jaya Shiva Shambo, Jaya Jaya Shiva Shambo, Jaya Jaya Shiva Shambo, Máha Déva Shambho, Máha Déva Shambho, Máha Déva Shambho, Máha Déva Shambho. The fingerstyle picking. Jaya Jaya Shiva Shambo, Jaya Jaya Shiva Shambo, Jaya Jaya Shiva Shambo, Jaya Jaya Shiva Shambo, Máha Déva Shambho, Máha Déva Shambho, Máha Déva Shambho, Máha Déva Shambho. And then last but not least, the island strum. And in this version I'm going to use the chuck. Jaya Jaya Shiva Shambo, Jaya Jaya Shiva Shambo, Jaya Jaya Shiva Shambo, Jaya Jaya Shiva Shambo, Máha Déva Shambho, Máha Déva Shambho, Máha Déva Shambho, Máha Déva Shambho. And then you go again normally, but now I end for you. I really like this version with the chuck. So in the next clips I'm going to show you how you can play these three different versions of Jaya Jaya Shiva Shambo. So for the down strum we start on position A minor And we start 4 times really slow with the intro. I will play it really slow for you. Then you start with the singing. Jaya Jaya Shiva Shambo. Go to G. Jaya Jaya Shiva Shambo on A minor. Repeat the same. Jaya Jaya Shiva Shambo. To G. Jaya Jaya Shiva Shambo on A minor. Stay on A minor. Máha Déva Shambho to G. Máha Déva Shambho on A minor. And again. Máha Déva Shambho to G. Máha Déva Shambho on A minor. And that's it. So the fingerstyle picking that I use for this mantra is the one that you already saw in other tutorials. I call it the pluck fingerstyle picking pattern because you pluck string 1 and string 4. So you get like, let me see, I think this is better. Pluck, 3, 2, 3. Again. Pluck, 3, 2, 3. And with pluck I mean that you pluck string 1 and 4 at the same time, like soul sister strings. So pluck, 3, 2, 3. Now let's look how we use this picking pattern in this mantra. So position A minor, get your fingers already on string 1 and 4, and we start first with the intro. 3 times the intro, the plucking pattern, and then a down strum. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pluck, 3, 2, 3. Pluck, 3, 2, 3. Pluck, 3, 2, 3, and down. Jaya Jaya Shiva Shambo. Go to G. Jaya Jaya Shiva Sham. A minor. Bo. Again. Jaya Jaya Shiva Shambo. To G. Jaya Jaya Shiva Sham. A minor. Bo. Stay in A minor. Máha Déva Shambho to G. Máha Déva Sham. A minor. Bo. Stay in A minor. Máha Déva Shambho to G. Máha Déva Shambho. And of course, if you play this mantra, you go round and round in the same fingerstyle picking, but you end with a down strum. Well, that's what I do because I like it, with a down strum at the end of the mantra. So last but not least, the island strum with chuck. If you prefer more the normal island strum, I just want to remind you that the chuck version that I play, I mute the strings on the second down strum and the third down strum from the island strum. So where I chuck, you see a C also here below in the lyrics. You can replace the C into a normal D, then you get the island strum. But for now, let's get in position A minor. First I do the intro and then we start. I play it really slow. Jaya Jaya Shiva Shambo. G. Jaya Jaya Shiva Sham. A minor. Bo. Stay in A minor. Jaya Jaya Shiva Shambo to G. Jaya 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 Shiva Shambo. A minor, Bo. Stay in A minor. Máha Déva Shambho. G. Máha Déva Shambho. A minor. Stay in A minor. Máha Déva Shambho. G. Máha Déva Shambho on A minor. So guys, thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you liked it. I hope you also like my channel. If you do, subscribe and thumbs up please. And also tell all your ukulele friends about this channel, because wouldn't it be great if we could play all together these mantras, shine our light on the world and open those heart spaces for everyone. I wish you a lovely, beautiful, musical and blissful day. Namaste. See you next time. Looking forward to that. Bye bye.